According to the Packard manual, when I insert the piston, I should have to, with 2 fingers, push it down and it stop anywhere in its travel. If I let go of this, it's gone. It's going to fly down, and you can see the skirt. It's slapping around like a bastard. I mean, I can look with my own eye and say that's 20 thou. I just got to figure out what the proper size pistons are and put them in and call it a day. Jesus. Luckily, no damage has been done. My bores look great. No ridge. Can't quite see it in the camera, but there is cross hatching. And those grooves you can't catch with your fingernail. You can't even feel them. You can see them, but you can't feel them. That's just the skirt sliding up and down as it wraps around. Makes noises. All right, moving right along.